Welcome to the Real Estate AI Chatbot review. This intelligent assistant is designed to simplify how buyers, sellers, and investors explore property opportunities, making the entire real estate journey easier, more informed, and completely effortless. The interaction begins with a warm welcome message followed by three main service options: buy a property, sell a property, and rent a property. These are standard industry features, but they can be fully customized based on individual business needs and requirements. When a user prompts the chatbot to buy a property, the bot instantly responds with a short questionnaire to understand the user's preferences, such as preferred location, budget range, and type of property. Based on the user's responses, the chatbot presents suitable property options and provides two convenient actions: schedule a visit or talk to an agent. When the user selects schedule a visit, the chatbot collects the preferred date and time and then instantly shares a clear confirmation message, successfully completing the request. With a smooth conversational flow and smart automation, this real estate AI chatbot makes property searching faster, easier, and more efficient, all through one simple chat experience. Now that we have explored the chatbot review, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you'll see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the flow builder. This section contains multiple subflows where each flow is designed to perform a specific action. From here, we can access various nodes and work closely with the AI agent. The AI agent operates based on its defined role and skills. It manages the flow efficiently and delivers relevant and accurate results. And that completes our walkthrough of the Real Estate AI Agent Chatbot template installation process and flow builder overview.